Construction Review Bulletin, published by the Chamber of Construction Industry of Sri Lanka, which is the only regular bulletin in our country on the construction sector, is now a very much sought after and popular publication, especially amongst the construction industry fraternity. Known as the voice of construction, this bulletin today has become a great source of strength to the construction industry, giving multiple benefits to its readers. This bulletin is always geared to update you with the latest developments in the industry and the opportunities available. We are committed to be your voice in resolving industry-related issues and to mediate on your behalf with government and relevant institutions whenever the need arises. Construction Review Bulletin is a monthly publication released on the last Thursday of every month and distributed free island-wide with a daily newspaper. The monthly circulation is around 83,000 copies with a readership of around 350,000 people. Every month, 3,000 copies of the magazine are circulated by post amongst the members of CCI. And leading professionals, architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, registered contractors and property developers. In addition, this bulletin is uploaded onto our website on the same day with all the advertisements, and bulletins issued during the last 24 months can be accessed through our website www.ccisrilanka.org.
Construction bulletin is now well read by 80 to 90% of the people who are involved in the construction industry. And through that, you publish a lot of items, and the people who are reading also get a lot of data in the construction industry. So it's becoming every day very much popular, and we have to increase numbers every month because of the popular demand.
As a result of this efficient and extensive distribution, it has become inevitable that a most current copy of the magazine is visible at almost every office of an engineer or architect and even site offices. The ever-increasing popularity of this bulletin has become a very effective platform for many advertisers who have made use of this opportunity to showcase their products and services in the construction industry. The testimonials of a few of the very many satisfied advertisers provide ample proof of the trust and confidence they have placed on Construction Review.
Anchored to a heritage of trust and pioneering spirit, Tronse is one of the largest diversified conglomerates in Sri Lanka, backed by the LOIC Group. Over a period of 1.5 centuries, Tronse has energized many vital sectors of the Sri Lankan economy, especially engineering and construction sector. If you wish to get great exposure for your product and services, make sure to advertise in the CCI Bulletin, as it is the right platform for anyone in the construction industry.
The Sunken Group is one of the biggest construction companies in Sri Lanka. The group has over 25 subsidiaries specializing in different aspects of the construction sector and the real estate sector. The Sunken Group has been advertising in the Construction Review Bulletin in the past few years, and we find it as a very effective medium to reach the construction industry professionals.
St. Anthony's Hardware Private Limited, one of the old company in Sri Lanka related to the hardware industry, with over 75 years of consumer trust and excellence. So why we advertise with CCI Construction Review Bulletin? CCI Construction Review Bulletin circulated among over 3,000 industry related professionals and over 100,000 circulation. So that will be a good opportunity for a company like St. Anthony's to communicate the message to our end consumers, and of course they are the key decision makers.
With the ever-increasing popularity and acceptance of Construction Review, we are committed to serve you bigger and better in the future and to further consolidate our position as the true voice of construction.